Okay, so I'm currently using my new camera for filming this video, which is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This is such a cute and a small camera. It's literally just this much, and please bear with me while I'm getting my hands on this camera. As I told you, it's the first ever time I'm using it, so it might take some while to get used to it, but I'm sure I'll get there as soon as possible. Hello from my new camera. As I already told you, that's how small and compact it is. Look who's here. It's my mom. She just flew from India, and I guess it's after 5 months that I'm meeting my mom. I know it's been a while. So happy that she's finally here. Last time when my mom was here, it was during the fall, and now it's spring, so we are heading out to have some spring fields here in Boston.
The next day.
So it's almost time for me to move from this apartment, and I have started packing already. And the real sad part is that I cannot take this study table, which I'm really so much attached to in the new apartment, because the space in the new apartment is there, but I don't think the way this table is structured, it's gonna look very nice in the new apartment. For now, I'm just putting all the things that I have in this study table into a box. So that's the box, and that's how the study table looks like for now. I know it's extremely messy. Those are all the storage drawers I have, so I'm gonna be cleaning those and gonna be start putting things into the box and pack it up. Finally got done with lots and lots and lots of cleaning, and the study table is kind of all packed into the boxes now. Got all the drawers cleared out, and also there were some books and other stuffs over there which is also now in the box. So overall it was quite productive. Hey guys, I just got done with work and I'm gonna start packing my bags again because it is Wednesday today and I move on Saturday of this week, so I just have like 2 or 3 more days in this house. I feel like I'm not even like halfway through packing all my stuff in, so I really need to start doing it more aggressively. This evening is to actually start packing my closet, and yeah, just do as much as I can with the wardrobe, have all the clothes in the bag. All these clothes right now I have in my closet are more of winter clothes, and with winter going away and it's kind of hot already, I really need to change my clothes in the closet as well. So it's the perfect time to move, because after moving I won't have to reset my closet again, so that's definitely a plus. So that's how my wardrobe looks like right now, and honestly it's a mess. Hi mom.
Hi.
Mom is helping me pack to my rescue always. So we are packing this bag out with all my clothes, and look at that, all the stuff under the bed also needs to be cleared out. So much to do.
Many unbearable hours later.
So I don't have any empty bags now. I just had 2 bags and both of them had stuff in there now. So all the other remaining things would go into a box. But for today, I think it was quite productive. I got a lot of things done in terms of packing. I have the empty box ready over there, and the plan right now is to clear out my dresser and put everything from the dresser into the box. Just get the dresser empty as quickly as possible because I do have a lot of my makeup and accessories and all those things lying over here, so really need to get this entire mess that you see over here and in the drawers into the boxes now. At this point, I'm honestly feeling that moving is a real good way of getting rid of all the unnecessary things, all the wasted things that you don't need anymore, and a good way of decluttering your space as well, because this is literally a lot of things that I don't even use that frequently. Also guys, everything around me and my entire apartment is literally gonna be super messy, at least till the time I move out. Honestly, I hate staying like this when everything around me is all over the place and so damn messy, but literally nothing that I can do. It literally feels like I'm staying with the boxes now. Cannot believe that it's almost time to move out, and honestly I'm gonna miss this apartment big time, and I just keep on getting so many different kind of thoughts, and I think it's a normal thing when you are moving. I'm gonna keep this rant divided up into the next video as well, because I want to film as much as I can and take you guys along with me in this moving process. But literally I cannot imagine that it's been a year and I'm moving out already of this apartment. And now honestly I'm gonna relax for a bit because it's been a super long day, first with work and then packing up things, so literally gonna take it slow and yeah, just relax on my bed for last few days. Just got done with some nighttime skincare routine to feel more hydrated, relaxed and better, and of course get a good sleep after such a long and exhaustive day. Next few days are also gonna be super hectic, super tiring and super focused only on packing and moving, and as promised I'm gonna try filming it as much as I can during this process. As always, stay happy, be kind and keep spreading love, and I'll see you in the next one.